Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we have something very special because I got a comment on how to change the wipers on the Polo. As a coincidence, I already had these in-house and was going to change them anyway, so why not make a video right off the bat. What you need is the Bosch Aero Twins, the A974S, and I have to admit they're a little bit difficult to put on, but let's see if we can do it. First we open this. I already checked if these were the good ones, and they were. So if we take a look at one, they have a unique system. Not necessarily a good one, but a unique one. Basically, what we're going to do is pull this one up, and apparently they're just a little different, but that is not a problem because these ones are Bosch as well, and we have to push this in and click them out. So it's not that hard, but as you can see, just a little different, but that shouldn't be a problem. We push this one back in the slide if possible. Yes, click them in, and there you go. And on the other side we will do exactly the same. Now remember, all you have to do is push that little button right there downward. In this case we have to pinch these little buggers together as well, and then just slide it out. Now it may look difficult, and maybe you need some help with redneck engineering, but all you need to do is just pull it out. Now it may be a little hard, but that's okay, and we put the new one in. Now they should slide because, as you can see in here, on the underside, it's a little slide, so you have to be very gentle and make sure it slides in. Oh. Hold on. As I said, it's not necessarily easy, but it will work. It's a slide, so there we go. Click, click, click. And now this one doesn't fit. I see, I made a boo-boo. This one belongs on there. So now I can show you how to get them out. Just pull the button, pull them out, all is good. And on the other side the same. I didn't check if they were the same length, and this one is a little bit longer. So yeah, I made a boo-boo. Just push the button on top and they slide right out. A little easier than the old ones though, but yeah. So make sure you push the button also with inserting them in the rail, otherwise they will not fit. And it's a little difficult, but you'll get the hang of it. Ta-da! Now they match. Oh, this is the old one, this is the new one. Just pull them in. Just push them in, rather. It's not as easy. Then again, click, click, all done. And that is how you change the ones on the Polo. And next up we have the Golf. They have different system. This system is different on many cars, but yeah, we'll show you just two systems, which is this one and the one on the Golf. So guys, I made a little mistake on the Golf. It is not a different system, it's exactly the same system. You need for this one the A979S Bosch Aero Twins, and I already checked, as you can see right here. They're basically the same system as on the Polo, which means you just pull them up a little bit, push the button. Of course not, you need a little help today, a little redneck engineering, and just pull them out. And we have the new one. This time I checked if they were the same size, so I don't have to take them apart again, and just slide them in. Button is okay. That's all there is to it. On the other side it's the same story, except this one, it will be a little bit difficult. A little bit push, a little bit push. Up, up. There we go. Just make sure the button is pressed. And it should. It's a little difficult. Sometimes they go in a little bit difficult, but eventually they all go in. Ta-da! Click, click. Ready. Now this one, for some reason I can't lift him with the hood on, but that's okay. Now we will do the backside one. I already checked, that one is correct as well. And should be a lot easier. The backside is the A330H. Let's take it out. It's another one from Bosch, because I really do like them. Easy fit, easy going. As you can see, we pull this one out, and this one is an exact match. And you just do it like that, and it should come out pretty easy, I guess. Somehow, let me see, just push. For some reason, I don't know why, I have no idea how to do this, so bear with me, guys. Let's see. Ah, yes. I think we just need to push or pull. Nope. This one is a little tricky, because I don't know if I'm gonna break something. But that should be okay. Should it not? Oh, look! It's an easy system. So, that would mean look! Oh, this one was gone already. But basically, open it, slide it open, yeah, like that. Push it in, and let's see, just click it in, click, slide it back. That's all there is to it. Now I figured that out just right now, and I believe you can do the same thing. That being said, I hope you learned something. It's not as difficult, you just have to try. And I will catch you guys the next time.